Ladies and gentlemen, this is George Gomez here, and today I'm going to be playing Super Mario 3D Land. And I know yesterday I was going to do it, but, you know, a lot of stuff happening since it's summer. Everything fun has to happen in the summer, since sometimes I do have time and some other times I don't have time. So, let's just get on with it. So I have to pick a me, and as always, me. So let's see. Looks like a stormy night. Looks like one of those leaves. I had this game about a year. Looks like Mario and the Toads look like really worried because the tree doesn't have any more leaves. And once again, Bowser in his life always captures Princess Peach. So there they go, on saving on Princess Peach. There goes the Toads. And as for me, I like how Mario's like that. But I gotta do it because he's in a hurry. Here we are in the world. Yeah. And grab this leaf and turns me into Raccoon Mario. What's in this box? And hit the damn Goomba. I see a little tiny door. I got a life. And I didn't see this. What the hell? Well, I think I need to get that. There it is in my pocket thing, where it stores all the items. And checkpoint. Let's get in here. Hit the Goomba. And another item in my pocket. Ooh. Get it, get it, get it, get it. So yeah, like the beginning, I really got this last year. It feels like I'm the last person to get in this game. I'm so ashamed. And damn it! Too bad. And I think I have to pull out the item for this. Item in my pocket. Now we have the raccoon suit back. Get up. And I believe there's a toad over there. There you go, Toad. Music block. Wow, look at that big Goomba. I see that big Goomba back there. That big ass leaf. But guess what? I'm gonna beat his mushroom ass. There we go. Now get rid of these guys. What's in the box? A coin. Get the coins. Get the coins. Get the coins. It's all about the money. Apparently I missed one of the gold coins. Or big shiny coins. I'm so ashamed. Well, at least we get one life left. I think I'm gonna do this one also. So 2 each levels. So here we go. Anything back here? No. Nothing back here. Get rid of these guys. And hit these. And then I got the fire flower. To break these boxes with the fireballs. And screw you with the black ink. I've seen you. You're gonna get on my screen all dusty. And my suit. And I didn't realize that there was a warm pot down here. Jinx! No. I did realize after what I said. I had this game about a year. Now I got extra 5 minutes. I think in these boxes, except for this one. So for each one of these Super Mario 3D Land videos, I'm going to be making 2 videos. I mean, no, not 2 videos. I mean, you know, 2 levels each. Jump on it! Anything up here? Bonus! And checkpoint! Thank you. Thank you. Hell yes. Here we go. God damn it. You can do this. You can do this. Voila. Well, like I said. So right now, since I'm about to end the video right here, I'm about to try to get all the coins right now. So, anyway guys, that's it for this video of Super Mario 3D Land. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, comment below, share this video with your friends, and as always, see you guys in the next video.